guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back after some.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been so long since I have vlogged, and you saw the first clip, and this was my housemates, and they were, you know, kind of starting my video because they wanted to. So yeah, so okay, so after okay, so आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं बाहर for dinner, and I thought to vlog because why not? And it's been like, you know, couple of days that since I was thinking that I need to go back to my YouTube channel. Like a lot of people were asking me that why are you not posting the videos now, so I thought that yeah, I will once I get my sweet time. So yeah, I have like no practice of like holding camera like that and like vlogging since so long, so now I'm getting better at it, and bear with me. So I'll get ready and I'll show you guys where we go and all those stuff. So okay, so guys, I thought कि मेरे साथ जो है ना वो get ready with me shoot कर देती हूँ because a lot of people were asking me about it, so I thought to, but it's not necessary. You can skip it if you want it. So yeah, so I'm using this my favorite Amway Artistry Skin Nutrition toner, and I love it. I love it. So yeah, let's apply it. I just apply a bit in my hand. I think that जब आप cotton buds में apply करते हो तो I don't know, the product goes away. So I
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
get a bit in my hand and I just apply it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so it is like really refreshing for me. I just love it. It has like a very pleasant smell of like a rose or something, so I just really like this about this toner specifically. So अब हमने अपना toner apply कर लिया है. Just taking my foundation, and I forgot to tell, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm using this since like years now, and I really love it. I'm gonna use my mirror because मुझे यहाँ पे बिल्कुल दिख नहीं रहा कुछ भी. Whatever, गंदा सा कुछ चीज़ दिख रही है. And to be very honest, like मैं पहले बहुत स्पेसिफिक थी अपने मेकअप के मामले में, and I used to be like, you know, all those things, but now I'm like go with the flow. And अब मैं जो है लाइनर भी नहीं लगाती हूँ because I feel like लाइनर मुझ पे सूट नहीं करता है, but sometimes I prefer to use it, but most of times I don't. So I just use kajal, and I'm using this from Wet n Wild, and yeah, this is the black pencil from Wet n Wild, so I'm just using it my under eyes में. Yeah, it's fine. Then I'll just use this mascara from Essence, and जो कि बिल्कुल ख़राब हो चुका है. I have to buy a new one very soon. I don't know, since so long I didn't like restock my makeup, and I don't know, it's just getting too much. Perfect. Yeah, I just like a very subtle eye look. That's what I do. And then I'm using this Beauty UK blusher, which I really love so much, but I just really love it. Okay, so now we're getting to my most favorite part, जो कि है lipstick, Silky Hazelnut from Essence, and this was Cool Mauve from Essence again. ये तो ख़त्म हो चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट, बट मैं इसको अभी तक लगा रही हूँ, और ये वाला जो है ये मैंने भी लगाना स्टार्ट किया है. I'm liking it, but still ख़त्म हो चुका है, तो never mind. So आज हम लोग सिर्फ Cool Mauve लगाएंगे, या तो फिर देखते हैं क्या करते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं. Okay, so guys, I just applied the lipstick, and behind the camera I just added these two lip shades, and I just love it now. And then I added these silver hoops, जो कि बहुत pretty थे, so I thought they will go with this outfit. as a whole. And yeah, that was pretty much my makeup. मैं बालों के साथ कुछ करूँगी, and then yeah, and most importantly I'll apply these perfumes. You know, मैं जब से कनाडा में आई थी, I didn't purchase any high-end perfume, and I was like, you know, telling my mom since so long मुझे perfume चाहिए, तो उन्होंने वहाँ से भेजी. And this is by J. Wasim Akram. For her, I love this perfume. I just love it. So floral and so nice. So we'll apply that, and then I have this Fantasy by J. again, and this is also like really nice. So yeah. Perfect. Yep, that's about it. Okay, so guys, this is my full look. I'm wearing this cute crochet cardigan, which I absolutely love, and then I'm wearing these skater jeans. मैंने एक साथ wear की हैं. Sorry, ignore the chhatri and bag. And then yeah, that's my makeup look, जो कि बहुत simple है. And then I'm wearing these hoops. अब मुझे यहाँ पे देखना है कि मुझे बाल के साथ क्या करना है. तो that's about it. Okay, so guys, after all that chaotic moments, you know, इतना सारा कुछ करने के बाद हम finally ready हो गए हैं, and हम finally अब नीचे आ चुके हैं जाने के लिए. And दो जो लोग हैं वो अभी तक पर फंसे हुए हैं doing something.
Control.
So yeah, we're finally down and we're finally about to leave. Excited? Excited. Yeah, he's excited. We'll see you. Okay, so guys, we end up going to a cafe जहाँ पर हमारे साथ प्रैंक हो गया. हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वहाँ चल क्या रहा है, and it was like too expensive, like $90 per person. So we just left it, and अब हम walk कर रहे हैं towards our next cafe, and we're gonna go there and see कि वहाँ पर सब कुछ कैसा होता है and everything, and then after that we're gonna take pictures and everything, and उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे for our dinner somewhere else. So it's been a fun roller coaster ride. And मैं चाहती हूँ मैं आप लोगों को updated रखूँ the whole time, and yeah, we're walking towards it. I'll show you guys. हम सारे खतरों के खिलाड़ी बनके सारे हर्डल्स को पार करके we're going somewhere and
Show me.
yeah, no guys, right now हम लोग डाउनटाउन के बीचों बीच में हैं, and हम वीडियोस और पिक्चर्स बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं बन रही बिकॉज ऑफ हवा.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा.
तो फिर हम लोग जाएंगे खाना खाने, and yeah, I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. And
I'm O. You're L, so you do O. You do O. Yeah, and then I do E. Like that. That's not even an O properly. Girl, what, that's not an O.
that's all.
Put all your fingers. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Okay, put it closer together, guys. My E's bossy.
Guys, right now हम finally अपनी लोकेशन पहुंच चुके हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग डिनर करने आ रहे थे. And I did get some pictures, but I don't think so if I'm gonna post them, like they are enough post worthy or not. But yeah, but हवा बहुत चल रही है and I forgot to take my cap or something, so I don't know मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. And the sun is so cute.
How do you like the fish?
I think the food is fine, but even the quantity is also fine. I think I felt like कि बहुत ज़्यादा कम होगा और I have to order some more things, but I think I will be full within this. But yeah, I think it's fine. The butter chicken sauce, it's like really nice and like really sweet, and I like the potatoes which I had, the cubes. And I got water. Oh my god, thank you.
Well, this is what I ordered. Do you have any other comments?
I just want to eat and complete it and finish and go home and sleep.
My
I don't have any more comments.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
More good pictures. I didn't get any good picture. I didn't get any good picture. I want to get good pictures. What?
This is the outfit check. Outfit check.
No. गाइस हम लोगों ने खाना खा लिया था जैसे कि आप लोगों ने क्लिप्स में देख लिया. उसके बाद हम लोग यूनिवर्सिटी आए टू प्ले सम
Troll.
या सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट. और यहाँ पे ये बंद होने वाला है तो अब हमें दोबारा से घर जाना पड़ेगा. ओ माय गॉड. जाएंगे अब हम बिकॉज पूल तो नहीं खेल सकते तो आई थिंक यहाँ घर जाएंगे एंड मूवी देखेंगे एंड देन सो जाएंगे. और कीप यू गाइस अपडेटेड. आप लोगों को कुछ बोलना है? कुछ बोलना है? यू वांट से समथिंग इन माय व्लॉग?
I do actually.
She wanna show her elf lip gloss.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna come and show or how?
Don't show my face, but like.
Okay.
Guys, look at this awesome lip gloss that I just got. It's like
Said-
offered.
she said-
She was like, "Yo, I want to
No,
kiss
why
you
would I
now,"
say that?
because that's what she
Okay,
is.
so guys, go get your elf lip gloss.
Lip oil. Sorry.
Lip oil.
Lip
Okay.
oil.
We are very cringy, and if you stay with us, you will also become cringy. So, okay, that's all.
We're not cringy. We're cool.
We
We're
are.
cool. We're like
To be
super
cringe
cool.
sometimes.
Exactly.
No, we're not cringe.
Guys, finally we got back home. और मैं vlog करना भूल गई थी because I was really tired and I was like just came home and मैं जाके सो गई थी थोड़ी देर के लिए. like लेट गई थी. बहुत थक गई हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. and tomorrow I have to go to work. Okay, whatever. So yeah, that's about today and I hope you guys liked this vlog, and if you did so comment down below. I'll try to make more vlogs for you guys. So yeah, whatever. So that's pretty much about this, and yeah, we are about to end this vlog. So if you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, family, and yeah, I don't know मैं कितनी दफ़ा एक वीडियो में या बोलती हूँ, but bear with me guys. मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. मैं या बोल के ना सारी वीडियो का नहीं क्या कर देती हूँ. सो चलिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़.